with Venmo on DoorDash is a simple process that allows you to order food and pay easily using your Venmo account. Here's how to do it. Open DoorDash app. Start by launching the DoorDash app on your mobile device or visiting the DoorDash website. Select your items, browse through the restaurants and select the food items you wish to order. Once you've made your selections, tap on the cart icon to proceed to checkout. Proceed to checkout. In the checkout screen, review your order details. Here, you can add any promo codes or adjust your order as necessary. Choose payment method. When prompted to select the payment method, look for the option to use Venmo. If you don't see it immediately, tap on Add Payment Method or Change Payment Method. Log into Venmo. If it's your first time using Venmo on DoorDash, you will need to log into your Venmo account to authorize the payment. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login process. Complete your order. After selecting Venmo, confirm your order details and tap on Place Order. The total amount will be deducted from your Venmo balance or linked funding source.